In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule social posts in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the content scheduler, create a post, add your media, choose your social channels, write a caption with hashtags, preview everything, and lock in a scheduled time so your content goes live automatically. Start by opening Adobe Express on the web or in the mobile app and head to the home screen. From there, look to the left side menu and select Schedule, sometimes labeled Content Scheduler, depending on your view. This opens the calendar and composer tools you'll use to plan your posts. Next, click New Post. This brings up the Post Composer. Here's where you'll add your media. Upload an image or video from your device, or select something from your library if you've already saved assets. Take a moment to check framing and crop options so your visuals look clean across different platforms. If the tool offers size presets, picking a size that matches your target platform helps avoid awkward cropping later. Now choose where the post will be published. Use the Select Channels drop-down to pick your connected social accounts. You can select one or multiple channels at the same time. Keep in mind that each platform may display media slightly differently, so it's worth glancing at how your content will adapt. If you're posting to multiple places, aim for visuals that work well in both square and vertical formats. Write your caption and add any relevant hashtags. Keep your message clear and concise, and front-load the most important information so it's visible without expanding the text. Hashtags can help discovery, but a handful of focused ones usually performs better than a long list. If you include a link, make sure it's short and readable. As you type, look at the preview to see how your caption will appear on each channel and adjust line breaks for readability. Before you finalize, use the preview to scan for text that might get truncated, check that faces or key elements in your media aren't cropped out, and confirm your tone matches your brand voice. When you're ready, choose Schedule. Pick the date and time you want your post to publish, and confirm your time zone so it goes live when you expect. Consider scheduling during hours when your audience is most active. After you schedule, your post will appear on the calendar, and you'll be able to see at a glance what's coming up. That's it. You've opened the content scheduler, created a new post, added media, selected channels, written your caption with hashtags, previewed, and scheduled your post in Adobe Express.